In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix attachments not showing up in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application and I have this email with attachments. But if I go ahead and click on the attachment, it's not showing up immediately. So there's always this warning right here that you should only preview files from a trustworthy source. And then I click the preview file here so that I can show or view the attachment here. And if you want to remove that warning sign whenever you open attachments, what we can do is that we can go to the file, go to options here, and then go to the Trust Center. Go to Trust Center settings, and then from there to attachment handling, and then we need to turn off the check mark for turn off attachment preview. So just leave that disabled for now, and then click OK. So now when we go ahead and click on the attachment, it should now display immediately. So we don't need to see the warning sign anymore. Now when I click on Excel, it opens immediately as well. And what you also can do is that you need to make sure that all of your emails are displayed in HTML. Because if it is displayed in plain text, it will not show the attachment as well or at all in some cases. So just go to File, go to Options, and from here, go to Mail, and then make sure that the compose messages in this format is set to HTML. And then that way, all the emails will be previewed in HTML so that you don't have any problems with attachments not showing properly. And that is basically it. If you're still having problems showing the attachments in Outlook, what you can do is that you can go ahead and repair the Outlook application itself. And to do that, just go to your settings and open it. And from here in the installed app, we can just type in Outlook in the search bar. Here's my Outlook. And then we can go to the advanced options. And from here, we just need to close Outlook first. Scroll down to the right, and then we can use the repair button here. So just click repair, and this will fully reset and try to fix any glitches or issues with your Outlook application that may be causing your attachments to not show properly. But that is all. That is how to fix attachments not showing properly in 3 different ways. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.